Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to know about how you can change your password of Spotify without having your mail entered. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is go on a web browser of your preference and type in the URL support.spotify.com/us/article/contact us/. So once you type it in, you will be redirected to a contact page. Now all you need to do is scroll down and find the chat and email option. Click on go to the contact form. Once you click it open, you can get several options with which you can log in to the Spotify account. However, if you have not signed in through any of the other accounts, you can simply click on forgot your password option. So once you do this, you can get the Spotify support option which you need to click on. So as you click it, you can simply click the login in option. It has asked how can we help you. After this, you need to select I can't log in to Spotify option. Now you need to click on I still need help, which will allow you to fill a form where you need to fill in your information as much as possible. Once you fill this with your information, you can reset your password without your email ID. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will be back again with these informative tutorial videos, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.